Are you curious about LibreWolf and Zen? Today, we'll compare these two popular web browsers to see which one suits you better. Both LibreWolf and Zen focus on privacy and security. They aim to protect your data while you browse the internet. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with LibreWolf. This browser is based on Firefox but has extra privacy features. It blocks trackers and ads by default. You can browse without worrying about your data being collected. LibreWolf also updates frequently, ensuring you have the latest security fixes. Now, let's talk about Zen. Zen is a newer browser that emphasizes a smooth user experience. It has a clean interface and offers built in privacy tools. Zen also allows you to customize your browsing experience with various themes and extensions. It's designed to be user friendly while still keeping your data safe. Now, what are the key differences between them? LibreWolf is great for those who want a strong focus on privacy. It's perfect for users who are tech savvy and want control over their browsing. Zen, on the other hand, is more about ease of use. It's ideal for casual users who want a simple and effective browsing experience. When it comes to features, LibreWolf excels in privacy controls. It has advanced settings for users who want to dig deeper. Zen offers a more straightforward approach, making it easy for anyone to get started without much hassle. In terms of pricing, both browsers are free to use. You won't have to spend a dime to enjoy their benefits. So, who should choose what? If privacy is your top concern, go for LibreWolf. But if you want a user friendly experience with solid privacy features, Zen is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.